good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay, nice to meet you. Are you a student or are you working? Wow. Then what you wanna become in future? Okay. Okay. Then I thought first of all you want to join any department to means save your money, right? After that you want to set up a business. What kind of business do you want to set up? Because you have a roadmap. You are a MBA student. No. Hmm. Of course, definitely. Right. Mm-hmm. Right. Hmm. Okay. Okay, absolutely right. Wow. Then you have enough knowledge about business because first of all you want to collect experience and you want to work with experienced person. After that you want to set up your business and it is not a easy task, right? You know, entrepreneur are risk taker and they have a roadmap what they do, right? After that first of all you have to means update yourself. First of all you know how to communicate with the customer, how to interact them, how to attract in your business, right? Because if you have a good communication then definitely you influence the customer. That is also important, right? If you set up your first of all they test your attitude, behavior, communication. After that they test your product, right? It is a bitter if you if you set up any business. That's why even though you see who are entrepreneur and they don't belong to business family, little bit they means suffer lot, right? And who belongs business family, they know about business, how to run, how to deal with customer, how to attract, how to communicate with them, how to behavior with them, right? Little bit they know best idea. After that they go to choose any place or any kind of means business, what kind of business they want to do, and they observe the market, right? Market is a not a right, all entrepreneur in there. If you start any business first of all they defeat you, right? You survive in their battle. After that you step in the market. It is not a easy task. If you do consistency or if you fail and you learn from your mistake then definitely you succeed where you want to reach. And what kind of business do you want to set up? Then do you want to provide your service in India or do you want to go to abroad or Gulf country? Okay. Right, right, you are up. Right, 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 right. Of course, definitely. Yeah, absolutely right. I agreed with your point. That's why mistake is a step, one step to succeed, right? If you want to be successful person, then you have to learn from your mistake. You have to learn from other mistake, right? It is a journey, and that's why people is scared to miss set up their business. Even though you see right now, whatever your parents invest money in favor of your education, right? But that money you cannot give warranty that money return back after completing your MBA, right? You cannot tell, because whatever you invested money in favor of my education after completing my MBA, I will return back that money with interest. You cannot say your parents, right? But if you invest money in favor of business, then definitely you will give warranty. You return back that money with interest in future, right? Yeah, that's why. But I'm not telling we don't invest money in favor of education. We have to invest money in favor of education, because our parents always tell they have a long term dream, right? That's why they, since childhood, they invest money in favor of education, because they think if my kid complete their education, definitely they will get job or something, and we will get that money whatever we invested in his or her education, right? But it is not a certain. It is, you cannot give a warranty. I will, whatever spend, I will come back. I return my money. You cannot. But if you invest if you invest money through business, then definitely you will give warranty. I will return that investing money with interest, right? But it will take time. It will take time. Business, at least you have to keep patience. 3 years, at least 3 years. After that, you stable in the market, and customer identify you. First of all, they recognize you through your attitude, behavior, and communication. After that, they test your product. That is a reality, right? Because you are a MBA student, then you have enough knowledge about business. But it is not like that who completed their MBA they become an entrepreneur, right? You see in the market, 8 standard people they build a miss crore business in the market, right? Business is a different, market is a different. But if you have a patience and you can learn from your mistake and you learn from other people mistake, then you can grow. Not only business, all kind of personality, or all kind of stuff, right? Yeah. How long have you? Yeah. How long have you been using this platform? No, I am in isolate place, nothing before. I think so. What happened? I don't know. Maybe this platform issue or something. I don't know, because I heard my echoing sound also myself. Yeah. How long have you? Pardon? Could you? Okay. Who suggested you to join this platform? Okay. Hmm. Right. 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 Okay. Hmm. Right. You are a good speaker. You are a fluent speaker. Only you here to polish your fluency, right? You want to speak like a native speaker, but you means speak. You are not speak like a South part people. Your tone, your accent is a different, and you speak like a native speaker. Your sound is a different because if we talk with South part people, we figure out they are from South part, but your mode of speaking is not represented you as a South part person. Yeah. That's why we people depend on this kind of platform, right? We don't have language partner. We don't have to interact with anyone.